Alright, we are going to do an unboxing of this gaming trio. So that's going to be a GeForce RTX 560 Ti. It's a nice MSI graphics card, OC edition. It's really cool. I really like it. So my graphics card on one of the computers failed, and now I'm replacing it for this one. So this is a brand new, sealed. I think the price is like $600 right now. So yep, let's see what's inside. All right, so see, it's brand new, and of course we are going to have the graphics card over here. So let's take a closer look. All brand new, sealed. I love the design, the logo, really cool looking. Alright, so you can see here's all the packaging, all the plastic. I normally like to remove this one after it's installed so I don't have fingerprints. So you can see, there we go. Remove these little stickers or plastic covers out when we are done installing. That's what I normally do. So very well designed. Is the 12-pin connector, and of course it has the it's gonna have the, look at that, it's a very nice one. You can remove it as well. It's gonna look good after I'm done. It's a 3-fan, very nice graphics card. I like the design. It's gonna be for the ports we have. So that's gonna be a display port, and display port. So 3 display ports over here and an HDMI port right here. So of course I like removing that at the end because I don't like the fingerprints in my items. So I'm gonna leave this one on the side and we'll see what's in the box. In the box is going to be a 12-pin connector. It's the adapter for the 8-pin connector from your power supply. So this one, unless your power supply supports this type of port, you'll be fine. You won't need the adapter. But if you have a regular adapter, this one comes in the box, which is nice. Good adapter. So we basically have to use 2 individual cables, just like this, not like this. So that's the one, 2 different cables. It makes sense. And we have the stand. This little stand is going to be, it becomes very handy since the computer, or I mean the GPU is kind of long. This one will help bring in the holding the fan or the GPU in place, so it's not hanging all by itself. So basically just go like on there, on this side right here. So it'll be right here in the case, and this one will hold just like this to prevent from getting the GPU all bent. And of course sometimes when they're too heavy, this part right here cracks, so you don't want to do that. $600 item, you don't want to damage it. So this one will be, and it's adjustable, as you can see. It goes up and down, and you can keep it the way you want. I will keep it this way myself, just to keep it from hanging. Okay, let's see what's going on. So this one is going to be, oh, you have to tighten it. There we go. So the more you tighten it, so it has to be, this one is to bring it down, bring it up, and then to make it tight so it doesn't go down. And this is how you're supposed to put it, and the GPU goes like this. So this is a quick video. Hopefully you find it useful, and like I said, this is a quick review of the GPU not sure how it's supposed to go. Right here. Alright, so that's gonna be for the MSI Gaming Trio 560 Ti NVIDIA GeForce RTX OC edition. Good design, I love it. Thank you for watching.